So pretty much, guys, what we're doing is we're charging $100 a car. So if it's 2-car garage, $300. If it's a 2-car garage, $200. Nothing less $200 though, because that's our minimum. This is the first time Brenda's used this for actual cleaning. We're gonna go around as soon as I'm done doing the carpets inside, which I'm doing right now. It's just a master bedroom closet. I'm gonna go around with the Deco wand. Just go in the corners, rinse that out. Tight corners where that can't get. And it'll be real quick. I'll just literally probably 2 minutes, 5 minutes max. You just rinse out all the tight areas and corners and stuff like that. So this epoxy. So if you're wondering how to clean this stuff, you can clean it in a number of ways, you know. You can do it just like tile and grout with the wand spinner and all that stuff. Or a tile wand like I'm going to be getting the edges with. Or something like this, you know, get a real deep scrub. This thing really scrubs well. As you can tell, this was really, really soiled. And yeah. Fun. And then we're gonna go through it with the wand also and kind of rinse those lines out. All right, so looks amazing. Looks a lot better. Now I'm just gonna rinse out this with the gecko and call it good. The brush doesn't get deep down in there, and the suction's not powerful enough on those machines to pull it out. Although we did go across with the vacuum and got all the dry soil out first. The end of the vacuum hose is still, you know, a lot stuck on there. So I'm gonna turn the PS up on this, and hopefully we can get that looking a little better. She went around and detailed the corners. So yeah. All right, looks great. Lines are clean now. That would look really awful when it's dark like that. So that's one thing about cleaning these with just a scrubber. You're gonna have to find a way to get those, separate those grout lines, or not even grout lines, or lines clean. All right, and the detail around the edges and stuff like that. Easy money. All right, like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. We'll see you in the next one.